So we talked about the keying industry, where it's an aspect of automotive. We talked about windshield repair. What else? What other specialties are there in the automotive industry that we could find some of these key takeaways?
Well, there's one that's really good that depends, like you said, how much energy you want to put into. This is a little more energy into it, but something that people constantly need. It's tire repair. So new tires, patch up holes, replacing shocks, brakes, some stuff like that. That doesn't take too much time, consume too much time. It's something you can do and make a really good profit out of it. And you don't have to do the whole 5 years of mechanic school to be certified to get to that point.